Oh, it's cold down here in Cove. Morris here from the Blue Shed. Just said we'd take a trip down and see what's happening to some of the towns around Cork. Just so happens I got stranded in this one. So I took my camera and went out for the day and had a look to see what life is like for a day in Cove with lots of snow.
Brilliant.
Oh yeah, coming down by the hospital. The road down by the you have a housing estate on the left. You go out the water, out this road. On the right, Musket. So just leave a car open.
In 1999 was a bad year, right? I don't remember.
In mid-80s was the last time I remember snow like this.
Can't remember it, to be honest.
All I need to learn, now you're gonna feel the same. Vice versa, love and vice versa, love and pain. She think that I'd return emotions. All I need to learn, now you're gonna feel the same. Vice versa, love and pain. Vice versa, love and pain. Now I'm giving you the blame. Now my mind is rearranged. Now I can't be sure again.
Hi, this is Morris here from the Blue Shed. Just took a trip down to Cove just to see what it's going to be like for the day. Snowing, merriment, lots of fun. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in your town soon. It's cold, very cold.